What's up, Cosmic Training Academy? This is Mr. Cosmic, and I just wanted to say to y'all, man, here live and direct from Bangkok, Thailand. Got my view. Yeah, so basically, I'm leaving the Airbnb today and gonna pack it all up and get up out of here and head out to you know where, Pattaya Beach. And I'm just gonna check out Pattaya, see what's up. Maybe I might catch up with some of the bros out there, see some of the entrepreneurs that are doing business out there, and hopefully, you know, make some connections, talk to the guys, learn a few things from people who've been here on the ground for a while longer. I mean, it's my second time coming to Thailand. Not my first time, but my second time. But it's my first time going to Pattaya. And it's my first time being in Bangkok too. I was in Chiang Mai. But anyway, guys, just wanted to give y'all that shout out. Let y'all know, I'll see y'all soon. And, keep the drinks cold. All right, later.